Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to set up your visual vocabulary poster. As you can see, I have an image of a cat, and if you click on the sound icon and you click the link and click the play button,
Gato.
you will hear the Spanish word for cat.
Miss Clementi should have paid more attention in Spanish class.
So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to click on the example so I can show you another way you can set up the visual vocabulary. So here are some words, and here's an example. If I click on this, it has a sentence with the word despondent in it.
The girl was sad and despondent when her best friend moved out of town.
So that's another way that you can set up the visual vocabulary poster. This is up to you. So let's go ahead and we're going to go here and I'll show an example of how to set up the word dog in Spanish. So, perro, I hope I said that right. I hope I don't offend Spanish speakers. This is just an example. So I will go ahead and I will go to the visual poster and I will type in perro and I will go to this site and click on that link. And when I'm ready, I'll click the record button, perro, and click stop. And what's really nice is you can come in and you can trim it up by dragging it and then play it to make sure that you're happy with it. Perro. So when you're happy with it, you click save. Now I'm in Google Chrome, so if you look in the bottom left part of your screen, I will go to Show in Folder, and I'm going to go ahead and locate that sound. It should have it selected. So here is the selection. I will right click and I'm going to go ahead and rename it by what it is, perro. I'm now going to right click and choose cut. I'm going to go somewhere on my desktop and I'm going to make a folder. I'm going to right click and choose new folder and I will type in vocabulary. I will go ahead and open up that vocabulary folder and right click and choose paste. I'm going to go ahead and get all my Spanish sounds and add them to this folder. So right now I have added dog and baño. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've done. In that vocabulary folder, I have the 3 sounds. So I'm going to drag this over and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to my Google Drive and I happen to make a folder that I'm going to locate to put those sounds. I created a folder called Language Poster. To create a folder, you choose New and choose Folder and then type in the name. I'm going to go ahead and open up that folder and I'm going to make this smaller as well. So I will drag this over next to the folder on my desktop. I will grab those sounds that I recorded and I will drag and I will drop them into that folder. This folder has the Spanish sounds and it also has sentences that I've used to set up this example as well. So in that folder, I want to show you what I've done. I went ahead and on the language poster, I right clicked on the entire folder and I chose Share. I went to Advanced and I set it to Public. So if you click on the change, I set it to Public so I don't have to worry about people being able to hear my sound. So I'll open up that folder. I will now locate baño. I will right click on it and I will choose Get Shareable Link. I will go to that visual vocabulary. I will click on the sound icon, the hyperlink, and I will right click and choose Paste and then choose Apply. I will click on the image, the white image, and I will choose Replace Image at the top, and then I will choose Search the Web. And I will type in bathroom and locate an image to represent baño in Spanish. So I found an image I like. I will select it and choose Replace. Now I do want to point out baño should have an accent over it. So I will choose File, Language, and then Español. Now notice it's underlined. I will right click on it and there it is. It now has the accent. So now it is set up that if you click on the icon and hit the link and the play button, you can hear the word. Now do keep in mind I did set this one up. This, however, has sentences and there's so many different things you can do with this lesson. This concludes the session on how to set up the visual vocabulary posters. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.